Gentlemen, good morning and welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Zion Kenya TV. Happy Sunday to all of us, and we still thanking God for His grace. Now, this is the breaking news at Azimio Zion Kenya TV that Jeremiah Kioni fires back Kleleshwa MCA Robert Alai. We all know the role Robert Alai plays in Azimio coalition. But now, what is happening? Jeremiah Kioni has accused Robert Alai of insulting him, that is being used as a mole to finish Raila Amolo Odinga in active politics. That one has led to cracks widen in Azimio as Kioni fires Robert Alai from insultment. Here's the video on how Kioni was speaking. After that, we are going to proceed with that analysis, what might bring Kioni to respond vividly to Robert Alai.
Alai yawa, wewe na Gashiethera mumeingia kwa kikapu kimoja. Gashiethera alisema kwamba ili uwe shareholder katika kampuni ya Sakayo, lazima uwe ulimpigia Sakayo kura ama mliiba kura pamoja. Wewe pia unadai ya kwamba ili uwe katika kamati ya wale watu 5 wa Azimio, lazima watu wa kwako pia wakufe. Tofauti ni kwamba baba ni mzalendo, hakubaliani na yale uliyasema, na sisi pia ni Wakenya ambao hatukubaliani na hayo. Wewe Alai, washa uragai bwana. Unataka tukufe mara ngapi?
You know the politics of today. Every politician have a determination, as I used to say. But before I carry on with this analysis, if this is your first time you are watching me, I request you to take a 1 second and click the subscription button and subscribe. And that next time when I upload to you such kind of a video, the video will automatically come to your YouTube platform. And we always believe we deliver you the best where we can. To the members, I'm very much grateful this morning to thank you and still plead with you to continue with the same spirit through your subscriptions, likes, and also comment. May you continue with the same spirit because you made this channel to grow large. There's a serious seed discard in Azimio that the reality from that video of Jeremiah Kioni tells you that cracking in Azimio is looming. Why am I saying this? Robert Alai, Jeremiah Kioni are very close associates to Raila Amolo Odinga. But what is now happening? Kioni is accusing Jeremiah Kioni. Let's flash back what happened during election. In fact, this thing have really worried me several times. If Uhuru had everything, why leaving Ruto to take the seat? That is a question behind. With me, I can say Robert Alai is right. Because these people might be playing Raila. As I used to say in the last 1 month video, that this man Raila should rest and leave for opposition someone to run. But the reality is now being reflected by Kleleshwa MCA Robert Alai. Indeed, he has split the beans. When you see Kioni is overreacting from that video, it tells you that these people might be used as a mole in the government. That in any presidency seat, they must have a plan, a secret plan, to finish a strong competitor. So what is now happening today? We are seeing Robert Alai is telling Jeremiah Kioni. But Jeremiah Kioni is responding in a childish manner. When you listen to that video, it's like they are still insisting that Baba is a mzalendo. Baba is a mzalendo. So that is what they are trying to do. Another key point from that video is that maybe Jeremiah Kioni is trying to be a strong politician in central Kenya. Will he manage? Because in central Kenya, we all know we have Martha Karua, we have Jeremiah Kioni himself, We have former Governor of Muranga and also Peter Munya plus the rest. But I'm very surprised or still disturbed the silence of Peter Kenneth, the cousin to the president. When you don't see him, then that one tells you that indeed Uhuru Kenyatta used Jeremiah Kioni plus other politicians in central Kenya to finish Raila in getting the victory of the presidency. Because Ruto and Uhuru were close, but it only changed within a twinkle of an eye when we are almost reaching to an election. Well, time will tell. What can you say from that video of Jeremiah Kioni? But the reality remains, truth is always bitter. What is there is that this crack in Azimio can tell you that Robert Alai might know or sense that these people played Raila and they are still playing Raila Amolo Odinga. I know this might hurt a close followers of Azimio, but the truth is that the central people being led by Jeremiah Kioni, I think there is a game they are playing. I don't know who can advise Raila apart from Robert Alai. What are your conclusions on this our topic today? Meanwhile, that is what I had to share with you at this moment, and I want to wish you all the best as we still carrying on with this peaceful Sunday. Thank you, as we hope to meet on another YouTube video platform.